Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy NotDoge here, just back to remind you that failing to subscribe to the NotDoge YouTube channel is a crime punishable by death, so I recommend liking, subscribing, and clicking the notification bell before you're forced to face the wall.
Whenever I skirmish, I like to rely on Dr. Pepper. After all, what's the worst that can happen?
I could totally see right now.
Oh yeah. I can't even see your eyes.
I can tell.
I'm mixing the militarized pieces of.
Oh, I got one! Whoa! I'm blind and I got one! Let's go!
How do you know? That's the funniest joke I've heard all day. Like,
I just saw you shit yourself a little. Contact tree!
Yep.
On the big tree.
We got people there.
Not anymore, we don't.
Did Ken die?
Not Ken, somebody else died.
Whoa! Coming up, coming up!
Hit!
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Hey, Boonie hat on your right, gray shirt, on your right, on your right. He's hit. Yeah. Nah, it's probably getting caught in the foliage while I'm shooting right now. If anything, it scares them.
Did you get it?
No. Oh, you got him, actually.
Hey!
Yeah, nice.
It's fun.
Yeah.
Love that, I can't get the angle.
Yeah, where do you want it? Towards the house?
Towards the house, I just want to close our angles a little bit.
Gas?
Yeah.
Gas, gas, gas!
Oh shit, no!
Fuck! Nade!
Fucking Yanks, man! I'm sending you back to Florida!
You can hear Kim! You can hear Kim! Oh my god! I hit a fucking branch, dude. That sucks.
You're there, guys.
Call an ambulance! Call an ambulance! But not for me!
They're all dead. I'm dead, I'm dead.
Are you hit?
Don't shoot
I'm not dead. I'm not dead.
Here, shoot him.
All right. I'll call it if you're the other team. You got me.
No. We're done. Couldn't have said no any faster.
It's just I was on the knee with my rifle aimed. I don't know. All right. I don't know anymore.
I think you have to go to the Hague for war crimes now, though.
Oh, war crimes are fun.
You just gassed like 6 or 7 dudes. That is a painful gun at that long range. Imagine.
Shit, thanks, mate.
You don't know the layout.
You're fine, mate. We're gonna cross your barrel, yeah?
Yep, go.
Camp.
So it's a flat one.
Oh, hit. You're good. We're coming out. Oh, hit, coming out. You're good. Oh, yeah. Fuck you. That hurts.
Oh yeah,
I don't like these bushes. You're good.
And we'll switch back when you die.
Cool.
They're all mine anyway, right?
Yeah. They are all yours anyways. You're right about that. Hold on.
Whoa, that's like fucking mean.
I'm going to find whoever did this.
The fuck? Yeah, gotcha. Hit.
You are dead.
There's gonna be a guy on the left firing at us, but you can push up to the church.
So we're gonna go to the right, but there's a guy on the left.
Pretty much.
I'm fast as fuck, boy!
Woo. Shit. We're good. He's walking back now.
Can we push?
No.
I feel like the answer is no!
Dennis! Oh, that's him. If you just lay out some full auto on the cluster, you'll be solid. Ouch. Yeah, I think that's me. I'm recording, right, Kemp? Yes. Blood for the blood gods! Woo!
Wait, when the building's down.
You're right, son. Yeah, I'm good. Move. Hey. Hit. Kim, guess what happened? I got up here, I flanked around, I got on that window, line of sight on 3 people. Bang, 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 bang. Dry fired the entire time.
It's okay, because when you did that, I ran in and took them all out. Thank you.
Spot on, man, spot on. P90 God, please let my gun fire. I promise I'll stop talking shit about your mags.
It's all right, mate. If you want to keep running in, I'll happily clear them out after you run in.
Yeah, sure, I'll be the distraction.
That works with me.
Wait, just give me a spoon, I'll do it that way. Yeah! Oh, fuck it. Fuck it. It's alright.
It's all of us.
You're all good?
Yeah, I think we're all dead.
Cool, no worries. Oh.
Avalanche. Everyone just full out of the bush.
Yeah, fuck it. Kemp, move up! Yeah. The smoke was too heavy, man. I was sweating. Fair play, man. Good hideout position, guys. Straight up.
Thank you.
Yeah.
What's up, guys? It's NotDoge here. Welcome to the end of the video. I've got a few announcements that I'd like to make about the channel. That being said, we are approaching 50 subs, so if you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed already, now's the time. If you have subscribed, go ahead, spread this video out to a few friends that you think might like it, might be interested in the channel, and see if you can't get them to subscribe, because that would help me a lot. For this video, I had a lot of help from a few of my friends in my Discord. If you want to get some sneak peeks at my videos and maybe have some influence on what I put in on my next videos or what my next videos are going to be, you could go ahead and find my Discord, my Instagram, and my Twitch in the description below. And as always, guys, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check in about 2 weeks when the next video should be up.
Got that bit on camera.